Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great day. I'm gonna do a recipe video today. Some of you have asked me for a recipe to help increase your iron levels and to help with anemia. So I'm gonna be making a really nice lentil soup. Today is the perfect day to make this soup because there is an extreme freezing warning here in Canada and it is very, very cold. Lentils are an excellent source of iron, protein, and fiber. In half a cup of lentils, you get 40% of your daily iron need. For each half cup of lentils, you have 25 grams of protein and 17 grams of fiber. Lentils is one of the healthiest foods out there, and I try to incorporate it in my diet at least once a week or once every 2 weeks. So the one that I'm going to be using today is the red lentils. So there's different types of lentils you can buy out there. There's red lentils, green lentils, yellow. I'm going to be cooking with the red lentils today. So let's head over to the kitchen and I will show you how to make the delicious lentil soup to help with anemia and to get your iron levels up. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to be putting about 1 tablespoon of any oil in a pot, and I like to use coconut oil, but you can use olive oil or whatever other oil you prefer. And you want to use a big enough pot because the soup is going to be a decent size and you'll have tons of leftovers for yourself and for others who come by. Next, you're going to chop about a medium-sized onion into little pieces, and you're going to saute it until the onions are soft with a little bit of salt. So I'd say about 5 to 6, 7 minutes. And I usually saute it on around 8 or 7, so medium-high. Next, I'm going to add four garlic cloves that I've chopped up here and just a little bit of ginger. Stir that up a little bit.
Once my onions and everything is sauteed a bit, I'm going to add 3 cups of broth. So I'm just using vegetable broth. And you're also going to add 3 cups of water. So
Next, I'm going to take 1 cup of red lentils, put it in a strainer, and just give it a rinse. Now I've added my rinsed lentils to the liquid and the soup. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it to a simmer for about 30 to 35 minutes. So you can put the lid on. I don't have any cumin, but you can add 1 teaspoon of cumin spice if you want, or 1 bay leaf. I ran out of spices, so add whatever flavor you want to it. But we'll check in about half an hour and see how our soup is doing.
So it's been about 30 minutes and the soup is pretty much ready. Just kind of show you what it looks
like when the lentils are cooked. So when the lentils are cooked, you see how they become soft and chewy. They're very soft and easy to eat. The reason why the soup is a little bit on the yellow side is because I actually found some turmeric and I added some turmeric to the soup, and it has this delicious yellow color. The soup looks delicious. You can season it with spices or pepper, anything else you want. But yeah, so this is a very easy high iron soup that will help get your iron levels up. So I'm going to give the soup a little bit of a taste test. I just sprinkled a little bit more herbs on top. Oh my goodness, it's delicious. You have to try this easy lentil soup. Again, it is excellent to increase your iron levels, make sure your iron levels are up and at a healthy range. It'll help to reduce anemia symptoms and just give you more energy. Lentils are my go-to natural foods to help increase iron. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other favorite lentil recipes, leave them in the comments below. Also, let me know what you thought of the soup, if you liked it or if you didn't like it. I love reading your comments and responding to them. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.